Hi, in this tutorial you are going to learn how to change the password or admin password of your WordPress website or your WordPress admin. You can change any password from here. Let's come to the computer screen. Here is the backend dashboard of your WordPress website. In the left panel you will find some options like post, posts, users. Here is a user option. Just click here. Here you will find all the users who are registered with your website. So I just want to change the password of this user. Just click on edit option. Here we go. In the bottom of all options, set new password. WordPress automatically generate a password. You can change or edit it, whatever you can. After setting the password, just update the user. Now the password has changed. The job done. Thank you for watching this video. Keep watching the next one.